As you know, Port-au-Prince is not Haiti. Port-au-Prince is the capital of Haiti. I know for sure Port-au-Prince is not doing well right now. But we have multiple cities in Haiti like Jacmel City, Cap-Haïtien, Kai, Jérémie, Port-de-Paix, Petit-Gouave, Grand-Gouave, Ouanamet, Fort-Liberté. Everything works properly in these cities, like school, church, public market, supermarket, shopping centers. Everything works. So guys, please keep Haiti in your prayers.
Some years ago, a research was done and it was discovered that there were more millionaires in Haiti than any other country in the Caribbean or Latin America. When you look at homes, infrastructure, how things are in Haiti in these areas, you know that there is a lot of wealth there. So please don't be fooled by what you're being shown about Port-au-Prince and being made to feel that Port-au-Prince is Haiti.